Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make affiliate sales without a website. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make affiliate sales without a website. So if you're completely new and you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, what affiliate marketing is when you sign up to a program, whether it's Amazon or any sort of big company out there. And by the way, it doesn't have to be big, like some smaller companies online have affiliate programs. So you sign up to one of these programs, which are 100% free unless it's a course or something like that. But if it's something else and you have to pay, it's probably a scam. So if it's a course, you have to pay for the course, but signing up to an affiliate program is 100% free. So what you do is you sign up to that program, they'll give you a link to whatever product that you want to promote, and you have a link, and as soon as somebody clicks on that link and buys something from them, you will get some money out of that. So that's the basics. So now that you know that, and you're completely new still to that, people are not going to buy from your links just by posting them everywhere. So most people want a website, which by the way absolutely works, but there is another way that I believe is more efficient than that, and that is what I'm doing right now. It's YouTube. So don't click off this video right now and think, I don't want to put myself in front of the camera, this is not for me, there's no way that I'm going to show my face. So there are two ways to get above that. One is to just get over it, because that is just how you're going to do it. You know, it's the best way to do it is to show your face. Like, get over the fear. You just have to film yourself and just try, and one day you won't even be bothered too much that you're filming yourself. The second way is to not show your face. I've seen so many people make hundreds of thousands of dollars without showing their face. They just review things, all you can see is their hands, or they create animated videos, and that's another way to do it. So you've got so many different options. You don't have to show your face, even though it is the best way to do it, because that is how you do it. Like, creating a personal brand is very, very powerful. But if you really don't want to do that, there are some other ways and you can absolutely make some money. What are you going to talk about? Because if you're brand new, you don't know anything about anything pretty much, or at least that's what you think, but you absolutely know things that I don't know, that some other people don't know. So you probably have a passion or at least an interest in something, and all you have to do is teach it. So many people around you probably tell you you're good at this, you're good at this, and people won't tell you that every day, but think about it. People actually tell you that you're good at something. So whether it's drawing, cooking, makeup if you're a woman, or a guy, but that's a bit weird. It can be so many different things. So what you do is you're going to make some YouTube videos teaching that. So just teach people about what you know that you are interested in. So if you're good at something and you're not interested in it, don't worry, do something else, because that won't work. But that doesn't happen very often. Usually you actually like it. So you teach people how to do that. You just give as much value as possible, just like I'm doing now. I'm telling you exactly how to make affiliate sales without a website. So you're going to start creating YouTube videos, and here's the thing, your first videos won't get many views. I've had some videos with 0 views, 3 views, 2 views. It just happens all the time, and that's the same thing with people that have 1 million subscribers. When they first started, they got very little views. But here's the thing, if you keep going and just keep pushing all the time, that's when you will start getting some views. So don't worry about not getting many views. At first it's just going to happen, and that's just how it's going to be, because building a business, whether it's online or offline, it's delayed gratification. At first you're not getting any sales, you're not getting any views, you're not getting anything. All you have is your own motivation to keep going and keep going, whether it takes you 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, it doesn't matter, but you just have to keep going. So after a while you will start to get some traction. So what you do is you're going to create an email list. So you can use Builderall, for example. Builderall is very powerful, and I'll try to not forget to link it in the description. And that is going to be able to make you build an email list for very cheap. So what you do is you create a landing page so that people enter their emails and they get a free ebook or a free course or anything like that that's in your niche. Okay, so you're going to create a course, create an ebook, it doesn't matter what you want to do, but create one of those so that people sign up to your email list. And then when they signed up to your email list, what you're going to do is you're going to send them some offers. So instead of just sending people off your website or off your YouTube videos or anything like that, like most people do, if people don't know marketing, that's usually what they do. They have a ton of affiliate links, you click on them, they leave your website and you never hear from them again. But if you have an email list and they don't buy from you, you can just email them back and back and back until they buy something from you. Just like bring them value, don't spam them, just bring them some value. Say this is how it's going to help you, and maybe it's going to be another product that's going to be more fitting to them, so they don't have to buy every single product obviously, but you want to sell to them that way. And that way it's your customer and not Amazon's customer or somebody else's customer. It's your customer, and that is very, very powerful. So that's in a nutshell how you can make affiliate sales without a website. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a like. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out, because I'm putting out valuable content every single day, so you don't want to miss out on that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.